Read, think, digest, and make it an integral part of your life. Welcome to my channel, Pustak Parichay. Today, I am going to tell you story from Sham's mother book, Teachings of Brotherhood. It was summer vacation. Sham and his brothers were at home. Sham's elder brother, who was studying in Pune, had also come and was staying with his uncle. He was down with chickenpox. He had come home after 2 years. He was suffering with illness and had become very weak. The person who suffers from chickenpox experience tremendous increase in body heat. During such time, the patient needs such food that cools down his body heat. Sham's mother steamed the onion, peeled the skin, and mixed it with the jaggery syrup. This dish was served to Sham's brother. Every day she would feed him 2 or 3 onions in this way. One day Sham said, "Mother, you never give me this dish of onion. I know I am not your favorite. You feed him onion, give him additional ghee, and serve him more curd and nothing for me. I wish I had this chicken pox instead of him. I would have got all these delicious things and extra ghee on hot rice." Hearing Sham's words, his brother felt very sorry. He had a broad mind. He told his mother, "Mother, I feel ashamed to eat these things alone. I am all right now. I have recovered." Mother said, "Sham, why are you talking like this? You are not my stepson. Do you know he suffers from body heat? His eyes and feet burn at night. He gets no sleep at night. This is a medicine that I give to relieve him from the heat. You got a whole lifetime to enjoy eating. You wish that you too should have chicken pox? What will the God think of you? He has granted you a healthy body and you are praying for the worst. You should not say such things. You are grown up boy now. Have you not read epics? Since you have read Puranas, at least you should follow some of the values mentioned in them. You should learn to sacrifice for your brothers. Remember, he is your brother. You should not make any difference even if the person who is suffering is not your relative. When you come home after walking a long distance, I make special food for you. Why are you jealous of your brother? If this continue, you will not even look at each other when you grow up." Sham's brother said, "Mother, why are you making Sham's behavior as an issue? He meant nothing of that sort." In the evening, all of them are sitting in the yard. Sham requested mother to sing a song. "Today, Ajji will sing a song." Mother requested Ajji to sing a song. Ajji sing a song which is related to siblings' love. Mother questioned Sham, "Did you like it?" "Yes, mother. I know you made Ajji to sing this song," Sham said. "Yes, Sham. To teach you about the importance of love." Sham went to Dada and said, "Dada, please forgive me for my behavior." Dada said, "What are you doing, Sham? Your anger is like clouds." Mother never makes any difference between her children. You love each other. We felt happy about it. God also loved that, Mother said. From this story, we understand that we have to sacrifice for our family members. Thank you.